What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock your speed on Ninebot E2 Pro here in 2026. So actually it's very simple stages, but firstly you need to order something, some device actually that will help you to unlock it. It's not a device, it's a motherboard of the scooter already unlocked for, it's cost not that expensive. I will leave a link in the comment below. And then in this video you will see how to replace your old motherboard with a new one. It's really simple, take maybe up to 5-10 maximum minutes, and then you will have E2 Pro with 32 km/h as a maximum speed. Okay, let me show you how to replace it now. Okay, what you need to have is a screwdriver here. First time when you unlock it, you just need to unscrew it here and add some hot air. Then second time it will be easier. Now you unscrew all the screws here. So it's actually 6 of them. Okay, after you unscrew it, you see the controller here. So actually this controller should be replaced. So this is sticked, let's keep it like this. As you see, there are many cables here, so you put it this side, disable your scooter of course. So here I have the second controller from AliExpress for E2 Pro here that can ride up to 32 km/h. So let's replace this controller with that controller and let's speed test. Okay, here I have the original controller here, and actually it's finally dismantled. As you see how it looks like, so that is a non-original controller from AliExpress. And let's install it and test it out. Actually here you have some serial number installed in it, so that's actually match the scooter. On the not original one there is of course no serial number here, but built-in of course there is serial number. So let's install it, the new one. Okay, before assemble it back, you need to do the test drive. So actually now let's make it. Everything connected like it should be. So here you can have a look how's the right connection here. So now let's try to do the speed test. So you see the speed right now in the sport mode is 32 km/h. So that's the maximum speed for this scooter. So now let's assemble it again. Okay, close it up, and actually it's pretty done. And now you have 32 km/h on your scooter with easy controller replacement. Please subscribe to my channel, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.